Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm English teacher of TSS Khayaban campus. Today I am delivering the lecture of countable and uncountable noun. Students, you know what is countable and uncountable noun? No, I am telling you about the countable and uncountable noun. Most nouns in English are countable noun. We can put a number before them. Like 2 tables, 1 fridge, 4 chairs, 2 lamps. They have singular and plural forms. For example, countable noun. Singular 1 table, plural 4 tables. Countable nouns. There is 1 fridge in the room. 1 fridge in this line is countable noun. No, I am telling you what is uncountable noun. Some nouns are uncountable. कुछ nouns जिनको हम गिन नहीं सकते, we cannot put a number before them. हम उनसे पहले नंबर नहीं ऐड कर सकते, नंबर नहीं लगा सकते. They have no plural forms. उनकी कोई plural form नहीं होती. For example, luggage, paper, furniture. We cannot put a number before them. Only luggage, paper, furniture is uncountable noun. And we cannot add s and es in uncountable nouns. And do not use a or an before an uncountable noun. Use some before an uncountable noun. Like this. We use some luggage, some paper, some furniture. For example, give me some cheese, please.